There are roughly 300 sailors assigned to the USS Michael Murphy. When asked, the Navy wouldn't confirm how many are infected with the coronavirus. However, NBC is reporting about a quarter of the ship's crew has tested positive. The USS Michael Murphy is docked at Pearl Harbor tonight, while many of its sailors are reportedly ashore on Oahu. In a statement, the Navy says personnel who've tested positive for COVID-19 have been placed in isolation. Out of an abundance of caution, all close contacts and non-essential crew members are undergoing a 2-week self-isolation period in accordance with CDC guidelines.
We want to make sure that it doesn't spread to the wider population.
In a press conference this afternoon, Honolulu Mayor Kirk Caldwell said he had not yet been briefed on the outbreak and planned to reach out to the Navy for more information.
I just want to make sure that those men and women in service are quarantined at Pearl Harbor and they're not going out into the larger community.
The Navy would not reveal where the sailors are isolated. Because this is the ship's home port, it's likely many of their families live here in communities off base. Of all the branches of service, the Navy's been one of the hardest hit by the virus. As of the end of September, military officials confirmed more than 190 of its ships have experienced a COVID-19 outbreak.
It's very difficult to operate without bumping shoulders and, squeezing by each other.
The former Army JAG attorney says social distancing on a Navy ship is virtually impossible, making the USS Michael Murphy an environment where the virus could easily spread.
You have over 300 sailors on a ship that's only 500 feet long. That's a floating petri dish.
According to NBC military sources, the outbreak has not had any operational impact on the ship or Navy as a whole. Adding the ship is currently being cleaned and a caretaker crew is on board until more sailors finish their time in quarantine. Hendrickson said it's the command's responsibility to make sure sailors complete their quarantine. He says violating that order comes with stiff penalties.
The service member is subject to being punished for up to a year in confinement and a dishonorable discharge. And so in the military, it's very black and white. If you need to be in quarantine and you're ordered to be in quarantine, you need to abide by it.
The Department of Health confirms military cases are included in Hawaii's daily COVID case count. Allison Blair, Hawaii News Now.